So guys, inside the saloon shop, let's turn on full volume. Okay, let's see. Where is that? Yeah. So guys, he's seeing there. I don't hope he sees the camera now. Keep it here. Getting scared. So he's already closed the shutter half and is standing and looking whether somebody is there. She's searching. I can't zoom my camera more. Battery is also low now. So point out where he is.
Again.
There. Oh. Wait. He'll get to know if I turn on this siren here. Let's see. So I'll do it again. So guys, I don't know what he's doing. Hiding the camera. Oh, he closed the shutter. So guys, he closed the shutter. Like, it is not good what I'm doing. It's not proper. But then you're not supposed to open anything now. He closed the shutter. It's damn fun. And battery is getting over my camera. Because yesterday we had some big shoot. That's why 2 days vlogs didn't come now. Before my camera shuts down. So 2 vlogs didn't come because we had some important shoot in my house. I'm telling you, some video in my other channel. So for that I was doing, so I couldn't upload any vlogs. So yeah, I'll meet you. So guys, let me tell you one thing. The thing that I did in morning is not appropriate, and you please don't try it out. That is not really good. I'm feeling really guilty today because that guy closed his shop and I don't know how much loss he would have had because of me. So guys, why I did it? Because I didn't have any other content and needed content literally. Because there's no growth that is happening in my channel. My channel is like this, and there's some glitch going on which my subscribers are going like this also. And I've worked hard around 2 years on this channel, and right now you don't know what hard work I'm doing. I am telling it again, I am sleeping at like 1 or something in the night because I have to edit my videos and I have to upload it also, and I should take care that there is no problem coming up in the night while uploading, and I stay awake while uploading also because I can't leave it and sleep, and sometimes there will be some error because my Wi-Fi has a lot of problems. So this is what happens to me the whole day, and I am spending my holidays comparatively different from what people are doing. So what people are doing are really different from what I am doing. People are enjoying at their home by playing, doing fun, talking, conversation, watching a lot of movies, but I'm not like that. I have to spare at least 30% of my time of the day, not 30 but 20% of time of my day, to check what is the content I have to put. I can't randomly put a vlog that has no special like today's vlog had that fun thing, calling prank. You go check out all my previous videos, leaving one that was 2 vlogs before, leaving that. Okay, so today is my promise day. I am promising now in front of you that by the time the lockdown is over, by the time the corona pandemic is gone, there's no single patient in India. I'm not even talking about the world, I'm talking about India, okay? By that time, if I did not succeed on YouTube, I bet you I would at least grow to a level, at least, I can't tell I'm gonna touch 10k subscribers or something, I'll at least touch 5,000 subscribers, and I'm betting it on anything you ask me. I am promising it today that I would touch at least 5,000 subscribers and succeed, which is in my level. So I'm promising it today, and that will what make me possible. I am gonna make that possible. So I'm not joking or kidding or anything like that. My total concentration is on YouTube, as I told, 60% of my time. 40%, sorry for the noise, it's going on random. My camera does not support mic, that's another problem. And if I shoot it on my phone, I can't show things on my phone to you guys. So 40% of time is on vlogging, 20% time is on checking what the content I should put, and totally 60% over there, and another 20% on my editing. So do you understand? 80% of my time is on YouTube. So the remaining 20% of time is what I spend. So let me do a proper chart. I know I'm mistaking it wrong totally. Let me take research time as 10%, editing time as 10%, and vlogging time as 30%. So I have how much? 50%. So 50% of my time is on YouTube, and the rest of 50% is what I'm enjoying, and in that 50%, 30% would be my sleeping time. I have 20% rest to do in my day for me, and you can understand how much hard work I'm putting in. People are telling hard work pays off, and nothing has done so much to me. I don't know what's gonna happen and stuff. Let me see. So guys, I am not such a person who is going to back off from my promise. I am going to surely keep up my promise, and I will do it, and sure I will try to bring up the best content ever. So if you're new to this channel, please think of subscribing, and also please share my other videos which are more entertaining, and share this also, because the fun in the starting part is really effortful. I don't know if that guy gets to know is gonna come and screw me up. So I have so much risk and I'm taking up, and if some police guy is coming and telling why you're doing fake noise, I'm messed up. So I have so much problems and I'm doing such content. So please help me. So there's few people. So I slept for a quite long time, like around 4:30, and right now my friend is coming. We're gonna maintain social distancing and stuff. I'm gonna wear my mask and take all the precautions, but I am giving this SD card to my friend. I have another SD card through which I'll insert now, but whatever I've shot in this needs to be transferred to my phone. He's coming at 6, 5 minutes left, and I have to be super fast now. So let me transfer the files and put that SD card. That is 8 GB, this is 64 GB. So I'll give this SD card to him so that he can edit, and he also needed my webcam. TV is whatever that is, I'm not knowing what is that. A camera for TV, so I need to give that to him because he wants. I'm not using it, by the way. So hopefully. So guys, the weather is turning really fine. So what is the words that you describe today's weather in Bangalore is really epic. I don't know why my hair has such problems in like setting. So the weather is really brilliant today. Look at that. Super cloudy. So it's not cloudy over there, but the other places. So you can see how dark it has become now. So hopefully it should rain and it should become completely cool, because the temperature is rising. It's about 30, I think 34 around, really hot. And in my room there's no AC. In my dad's room AC is there. And let me tell you why I did not buy any AC. We had idea of buying AC. My dad went and also gave advance for the AC actually. And then I told no. It's just because AC pollutes a lot. So it's fine that I can bear this temperature now, because in future you can't land up in much big troubles by So my friend is coming. You know him, he's a legend. In one of my videos, if you're following me properly, I told he's a legend. So he's coming now. So as I told you, I need to give him this webcam and stuff. So he's coming. Let us see. He's coming up. Wait. So the legend is here. So guys, right now we have Shashi with us. You guys know his legend in our channel. So that house there, yeah, that house. There's some paranormal activities going on, as I showed you morning what my dog was doing. So we have Shashi here. Hopefully he'll accompany us tomorrow because I'm scared a bit. Like, but this guy is really brave. Like, you have to learn from him. Yeah, what do you want to tell, Shashi?
See, basically,
See here and tell why you're using that.
I'm not scared of any ghost because I don't believe in them. This guy, he's scared. I have no problem with.
No, that's like
accompanying
real
him.
story. Only when he, experiences that, like, you'll know, right?
Yeah, but then
What
still, I
what
wouldn't
will you
believe
do
in
after
anything.
experiencing that you can watch in that vlog? Okay, surely that
Okay.
vlog will come, but I don't believe that this guy, like, he'll come. He'll be like,
We'll
bro, I'll come, bro, I'll come. He'll be
We'll
like, my
see.
mom is not
Now
allowing.
you have video proof. I'll come anyways.
So Shashi is for sure coming. When will you come?
Tomorrow, for sure.
For sure.
I'm
So-
telling we should go now, but then he's saying there's
No,
time.
like,
There's
I
no
need
time.
to set up everything, right? Bring my camera, lighting, and everything, and like go over there. But I'm like thinking, why not do it in morning? Because wait a second. Let me tell you, these guys here are a big headache, and you know why? These people are like, I was shooting there that day. I was shooting there like for some time, telling about this house, and they're like, why are you shooting? Like in Canada, why are you shooting? I was like, no, randomly, like I'm just shooting for random sake. I didn't tell them the reason. Then my brother is like, we were searching for ball, and that lady is asking me why, if you take videos, you'll find ball, like that. She's like, what if you take like full
Okay,
overacting type? She told me, okay, wait, I'll get back to you. My hand is paying back. So guys, right now our legend Shashi is doing photography. I don't want to spoil it, just show it like this because light should not come over there. Astrophotography. Oh, what's up, Shashi? Great things. So guys, we are in my garage. Nothing to show you. It's not proper. OnePlus, what is the fucking problem? So look at this and look at this. Nothing is seen. Or nothing is seen. Literally nothing. And this is what Shashi can do. So if you want photography like for your function or your marriage, you can contact Shashi. Shashi, what is your number?
I'll keep in the description. Leave.
Yeah, I'll keep in the description. So guys, I think that's all. Just a minute. We have Shashi here. We did another video shoot. That'll be coming tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this vlog for whatsoever reason, hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So this is a short video, just fun, and he didn't open the shop yet. So until then, bye bye. See you. Take care in the next vlog.